This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes.
Carefully remove
You
the
can complete
foam
more
seal.
than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate, release the clips and remove the access cover from the side trim panel. Using the tool provided in the vehicle toolkit, slacken and remove the 3 rear light retaining nuts. Hold the light cluster in place as the last nut is removed. Move the light cluster rearwards a little then depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Carefully remove the foam seal. Undo the 3 screws and separate the bulb holder from the light cluster. Press in, then twist the relevant bulb anti-clockwise to remove it. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit in one position. The pins are offset. Align the bulb pins with the slots in the holder, then insert it and twist it clockwise to secure. Ensure the rubber seal is correctly located in the groove, then refit the bulb holder and tighten the retaining screws securely. Refit the foam seal to its original location. Reconnect the wiring plug, then maneuver the light cluster into place. Tighten the 3 retaining nuts securely by hand only. Refit the access cover to the side trim panel. Carefully remove the foam seal. Undo the 3 screws